Hello everybody. If you're having problems with your Night Owl app, and when you're like when it's loading the device, and it tells you like unable to load device, or when you go to shared user and it gives you unable to load members, here's what you need to do. Just log out and log in. I solved my problem by just doing that. I just did that. I just logged out on the app. I'd log back in and everything started to work fine. So, like I said, if you're having that problem, unable to load devices or unable to load the members that on your shared devices, and it won't load. So that's all you need to do is just log out, then log in. All right. So if you're ready to this issue, that's all you need to do. All right. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. I see you next time. Have a nice day or night or whatever time you're watching this. All right. Thank you. Good night. Have a nice day. Bye bye.